How to change birthday in Viber. Hello and welcome to my channel, and in this video I will tell you how to easily change your birthday in the application Viber. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. First, go to the Viber application and go to the option in the lower right corner menu. Then click on the edit option in the upper right corner in the form of dash, and here you can watch your birthday. To change it, you just click on it and change to the date we need. Then click done. And to save your personal profile with such date of birth, again press done, only in the upper right corner. Also, you need to be sure that your birthday is broadcast to your friends. You can check this in the privacy settings by finding the share your birthday option. If it is disabled, connect it. And that's it. I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.